2018 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated front seats, electronic stability control, CD player, fog lights, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, security system, power windows, trip computer, compass. Come see the car for yourself.